Hello there, welcome to your Scottish forecast from the Met Office. Now, the final 24 hours of 2024 is impactful for some, certainly lively for many. A deep area of low pressure moves in from the Atlantic and see numerous warnings covering most of Scotland. In terms of rain and snow, central and northern areas of Scotland, snow for Orkney as well as Shetland, and this amber warning for rain across the northeast of Scotland. More about that in a moment. The winds really pick up, so any snow you see across the north there could cause some blizzard conditions and some drifting for a time, and it's blustery further south with a wind warning extending down towards border regions. This whole system here with that rain, snow, particularly over the higher ground, heavy rain at that, and also strong winds, extends and pushes eastwards. And what that means, we inherit some much colder air into New Year's Day, but also the risk of snow and ice with some snow showers. So the first few days of 2025 will be cold with the risk of ice, as well as a widespread frost, feeling cold with a wind chill. Before that though, let's pick up on that amber warning for rain across the northeast of Scotland. Now, over the past 24 hours, we've seen about 60 to 70 millimetres here, double that over the next 24 hours. And here's your region where we're most concerned, anywhere from Inverness down towards Fort William, particularly Bewley, Carbridge, Spey, as well as Aviemore. So some heavy rain to come, and it could cause property damage in terms of flooding. That rain is moving in through this evening from the south, and it will turn heavy into tomorrow morning. Elsewhere, through the evening time, a few wintry showers. The air is colder towards the north there. And then as the rain pushes northwards, we will see some snow, particularly over the higher ground. But notice some heavy pulses of rain and persistent rain towards the west as well as the south as it all moves its way northwards. So into tomorrow morning, yes, you'll see some heavy snow for Orkney for a time before it turns back to rain eventually, and then that snow extends towards Shetland. But that rain will be persistent through the first part of tomorrow across central and northern areas. The winds then pick up some strength across the north. They're coming in from the east, and it's a windy day further south. So wet and windy weather, unpleasant conditions for being out and about, and that driving wind feeling very cold indeed. That rain continues through the day on New Year's Eve, extending towards the Outer Hebrides, and then it stalls across the far north of Scotland with heavy showers to follow. But by the time we get to sundown, some drier weather attempting to move in across central and southern areas. Few showers, but even so, just a lot of cloud here, whereas it will remain wet across Shetland as well as Caithness, Sutherland and the Outer Hebrides. Even the Inner Hebrides seeing some showery bursts of rain. New Year's Eve looks like this, some heavy rain mixed in with some snow as the air turns colder from the north yet again. Some showers also, which will be wintry. Further south into New Year's Day, yes, a lot of cloud and some patchy rain and drizzle, low cloud at that, and the rain may just nudge in across the far south into the first part of the day. And then the air turns colder from the north with those snow showers, the risk of ice. So all in all, the first day of 2025 will be cold with the risk of some rain and snow showers, snow in the north as that showery rain pushes ever southwards. But brighter on Thursday, which is great news. Still some wintry showers around, there'll be of snow, and temperatures really taking a plummet through Thursday night and into Friday. So sub-zero, the risk of that ice, a widespread frost, cold air coming in from the north. Some quieter conditions, perhaps through Friday, even with some sunshine coming through, but remaining cold into the weekend. Wherever you are, take care. Have a safe New Year's Eve, and I'll see you in 2025.